In today's video, we're exploring a topic that has quietly become one of the most talked about ideas in the camera community. The possibility of DJI launching its own standalone mirrorless camera, potentially as early as 2025. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the growing number of discussions, leaks, and informed speculation make this a fascinating subject to break down. This isn't just random hype either. DJI has spent years shaping how creators capture content through drones, gimbals, and compact filmmaking tools, so the idea of them entering the mirrorless space feels like a natural next step. If this camera does become a reality, it could represent a major shift in how hybrid shooters think about their gear. In this video on Technify, we're taking a closer look at why DJI entering this space makes sense, who this camera could be designed for, and what kind of features creators are hoping to see, without changing the exciting and forward-looking tone surrounding this rumor. DJI's name is already deeply connected with imaging innovation. From industry-leading drones to advanced gimbal systems and mobile filmmaking solutions, the company has consistently focused on making content creation smoother, more stable, and more accessible. One of the most intriguing aspects of this rumored mirrorless camera is DJI's ongoing relationship with Hasselblad. Hasselblad is widely respected for its refined color science and photographic heritage, and that influence could play a major role if DJI brings a mirrorless body to market. The idea of combining DJI's stabilization expertise with Hasselblad-inspired image output is one of the strongest reasons this camera concept feels so compelling. Based on how current discussions are shaping up, this camera wouldn't be aimed at beginners or casual users. Instead, it appears to be envisioned for advanced creators and professionals who want a powerful hybrid camera that can handle both photography and video at a high level. Rather than being a niche or experimental product, the goal seems to be creating a reliable main camera, something creators could confidently use for studio productions, commercial work, travel content, and fast-paced on-location shooting. In that sense, it would be stepping directly into the professional mirrorless category rather than sitting on the sidelines. Stabilization is one of the most talked about expectations, and for good reason. DJI's experience in motion control could allow them to deliver exceptionally smooth in-body stabilization, reducing the need for external support when shooting handheld. This would be especially valuable for run-and-gun filmmakers, travel creators, and documentary shooters who prioritize mobility. Another major point of interest is color science. Many creators are hoping for natural, film-like colors straight out of the camera, minimizing the need for heavy post-production and making workflows faster and more efficient. Video performance is also expected to be a key focus. Conversations around this camera often mention high-resolution recording, strong slow-motion capabilities, and a user interface designed specifically for creators who need to adjust settings quickly while shooting. Rather than complex menus, the emphasis would likely be on practical, creator-friendly controls that feel intuitive in real-world scenarios. There's also speculation around the physical design of the camera. Some discussions suggest a flexible or adaptable body that could work equally well in professional rigs or lightweight travel setups. This could make the camera appealing to a wide range of creators who switch between different shooting styles. Strong wireless features and deep mobile app integration are also frequently mentioned, which could allow faster transfers, remote monitoring, and smoother connectivity with other DJI devices. If DJI does enter the mirrorless market, it could significantly impact the current landscape. The space is dominated by a few long-established brands, but DJI's advantage lies in its ecosystem. Many creators already use DJI drones, gimbals, microphones, action cameras, and apps. A mirrorless camera that integrates seamlessly into that ecosystem could simplify workflows and create a more unified production experience. However, long-term success would still depend on consistent firmware updates, strong lens support, and a clear roadmap for system growth. Factors that matter just as much as headline features. So, that's our deep dive into what a DJI mirrorless camera could look like if it arrives in 2025. A camera that potentially blends professional-level imaging, advanced stabilization, and refined color science, all backed by one of the most creator-focused ecosystems in the industry. While nothing is official yet, the concept alone is exciting enough to keep a close eye on. If DJI manages to execute this vision properly, it could offer creators a more seamless way to work across handheld, ground, and aerial shots without constantly switching systems. For filmmakers, photographers, and hybrid shooters, That kind of workflow could be a real game changer. Thanks for watching on Technify. Let us know what you think. Would you be excited to see DJI enter the mirrorless camera market, or are you happy sticking with your current setup? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech stories and creator-focused coverage.